Hello, in this short tutorial, we will connect our agent to Zapier. This allows us to access over the 7,000 apps available at Zapier catalog. Our simple agent collects name and email address from the user. We will then add a Zapier block to send this information to Zapier to further use. Now we create the API key to connect your Release0 agent with Zapier, and we copy the key. Now we go to your Zapier dashboard and create a new Zap. Next, we click on Trigger and search for Release0 on the Apps section. Once the Release0 app is added on your Zap, we click on the Trigger event. This is what will listen for the agent connection. Then we use the sign-in to button and paste our Release0 API key code and click Continue. This will connect your integration between Release0 and Zapier. Now we click on Continue to configure the connection. We can select the agent, in the case our agent is called Zapier. Then we select the block group where the Zapier block is located. In our case is called Zapier group. Then we click Continue. We test the trigger to make sure the connection is established. Next, we can add a new action. Actions allow us to use the information sent by our agent into one of the 7,000 available integrations. For this test, we will add a CRM integration using HubSpot. In our case, we will select the Create Contact action. This will create a new contact in our HubSpot CRM with the information collected by our agent. We just need to map the available information into the corresponding contact fields on HubSpot. For this example, we will just use name and email, but we could manage a large number of fields. Once completed, we click on Continue and then Publish. Once the Zap has been published, we can start sending data from our agent into the contact list on HubSpot CRM. We can trigger the agent via public URL or the simulator to collect data. Note that the data can take a few seconds to arrive into HubSpot contacts. We can test again using the emulator to trigger new data. Now back in HubSpot, we can see that the information retrieved by the agent has been sent to Zapier and then saved into the contacts section in HubSpot. This shows how easy it is to integrate Release0 with Zapier and expand your integration capabilities.